In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a signature in a Honeybook contract. If you're using Honeybook to manage your contracts and client agreements, knowing how to efficiently add a signature is crucial for ensuring that your documents are both complete and professional. First, let's get started by navigating to the Tools section within your Honeybook account. Once you're there, you'll want to head over to My Templates. This is where you'll find all your existing templates, including your contract smart files. Open up the contract smart file that you'd like to modify or add a signature to. This will bring you directly into the editing interface where you can make all necessary changes to your document. Now, to add a block to your contract, look for the plus icon, which you'll see represented as a plus on your screen. This icon will appear between or below your existing blocks within the document. Click on this icon to open up a menu of options. From this menu, select Contract. This step is important because it allows you to add new sections or elements to your contract, such as additional signature lines, which is what we're focusing on today. Once you've added the contract block where you need it, it's time to insert the signature line. Scroll down to the bottom of the contract text area. You'll typically notice that there's already a default signature area present. However, if your contract involves multiple stakeholders or if you need to add additional signatures for any reason, you can easily do so. Simply click on Add Signature, which will allow you to insert more lines for additional signatories. This flexibility ensures that everyone who needs to sign the contract can do so without any hassle. And that's it. You've successfully added a signature to your Honeybook contract. Remember, the key to managing contracts efficiently is ensuring they are clear and professionally structured. With this simple process, you can make sure that all necessary parties can sign, making your document complete and ready for execution. If you find yourself needing to revisit this process, or if you're managing multiple contracts, feel free to return to this video at any time for a quick refresher. Adding signatures is a fundamental part of contract management, and mastering it in Honeybook will undoubtedly streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your Honeybook experience.